Now viewers, I decided to raid some more parts off that circuit board from that Mitsubishi TV. Got all Japanese components, as I said before. These are all Panasonic caps. Some of these are 630 volt rated, so these will suffice for the axial type using old VF radios. They won't look as good, but they've got that vintage appeal to them. 153, so I think it's around 150 picofarads, I think. So they're common values. That's only a 200 volt one. There you go. The 630 volt ones are handy to have because they're the highest rated of these types that I've. There is some 2 kV ones, but I don't come across those very often. They'll be real handy. The little ferrite core transformer, primer in the middle, and the secondary is on 2-piece secondary on the outside. It's an integrated circuit, the UPC 2002. NEC Japan. Vintage TPO electrolytics. Common size, 47 microfarad. Just got to test them with ESR meter now. Little potentiometers, these are pretty cool. 3K. That's a 53 ohm or something like that. Couldn't read it, really hard to read that one. This is a 20k pot. What's it say? It's a K. It looks like the Kyocera symbol. There you go. Good little potentiometer with a little screwdriver attachment attached to it. Don't know what that one is. 14k, 14 kilo ohm. These Nichicons use some pre-printed circuit board as a basis instead of just a rubber, so they're pretty well reinforced. Well, let's test these electrolytics. Hopefully they're still good to use for other replacements. They're Nichicons, so they should be. Viewers have just tested all the electrolytics and they're all fine. These two 470 mic TPOs were in around 625 microfarads, but the ESR was quite low, so old style axial capacitors. They're quite light too, so they could still use these capacitors. These are all vented too, except for these little low capacitance ones. They're not vented. They're all Nichicon and Nippon Chemicon capacitors, so they're all quite good quality little capacitors, so I'll keep those as spares. Okay viewers, I've checked this capacitor back, it's still holding its voltage, so hopefully if I get a chance over the weekend I could start having some more fun with these. I just realised with these SCRs last video, I got the anode and cathode the wrong way around. Just got to find some sort of heating at the bottom onto and find a little switch I can trigger them. See if I can do a test on camera actually. What they say, they connect the negative to the cathode and positive to the anode through a light bulb, and you touch that to positive and it should turn on. So let's give them a test. I think it goes something like this. I've seen the video, one of the other videos I've seen. Had negative to the cathode, anode to positive, and you touch that to the anode. Should stay on, but I don't know why it's not staying on. Touch it, the negative doesn't do anything. Alright, just in case I have it stuffed up, I'll try it backwards. These might be different characteristics of these SCRs might be different to the ones I've seen. Yeah, nothing happens. It doesn't work this way. Not working. Okay, it only works the other way then, I think. Let's go on through there, take the light bulb out of the circuit. Now it's off. Alright, not getting power to the light bulb. Let's put the multimeter in continuity test and see if that does anything. Continuity mode. Light bulb out of the circuit. Because I was touching the gate to the anode and there was sparking, so I'm assuming it's turning on. That goes there. Turn that. Just make sure, yeah, it's working. No, it's not working. I'll have to do this. Alright, hold that there. Body. Nothing, because I touch it onto. Now that works. Alright. Hang on, I forgot to put power to it. Whoops. Now let's try it. Yeah, no continuity. Let's try it the other way then. Yeah, I think this is actually the correct way. This is the anode here, this is a cathode, this lead here. Alright. Power into the body. So there. There you go, getting some reaction there. Oh, look at that. My soldering on my diodes came undone. So much current went through those diodes it actually melted the solder. There we are. I think I was on the right track anyway, so this is still okay. Actually, I might try googling it. The numbers on these are a bit smudged off, so pretty sure that's how I did it anyway. I had it this way. It was this side here that connected to the power supply. And that went through a light bulb like that. It's a negative to turn it on, so this might be the characteristics of these SCRs might be differ in some way, but I doubt it. Alright, just in case this power supply is not checking anything over, let's try it with a battery. Yeah, try a battery just so it's pure DC. See if that gives us any different results. Negative. Okay, and that back to the battery. Battery's connected. Aha! How dumb can I be, eh? SCR, diode, and I'm running a Ripple 100 Hz. That actual transformer I was using was a 4-way rectified. And yeah, I just learnt something. These don't like Ripple DC. They need pure DC to work. There we go. Lesson learnt. That one is okay. Whoop, smoky smoky. SCR off, SCR on. There we are. That one's okay. So they actually need an actual proper DC supply, not a rectified transformer. I just learnt something today. There you go. Now let's test this one. So that one is okay. Cool. Alright, let's test this one here. There you are. These things want their pure DC or nothing, these. Alright, now that's gonna... I could probably just jump that with a screwdriver. Oh, I think I know why it was smoking. The envelope's dirty. Got me dirty, grotty fingerprints on it. Alright, let's get a screwdriver so we can jump this thing to turn on. Put that aside. Yep, this SCR is good too. Beautiful. Off. Jump the anode to the gate. Gate to anode. It turns on. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm getting somewhere. Now I've got to make up a little circuit to connect to a battery. and integrate it with my capacitor bank. So I'll see if I can do that over the weekend if I get a chance. Beautiful. Those SCRs are definitely okay. And there we are. Just think, diode, pure DC. So next time we want to test one of these, don't use 100 a rectified transformer. 4-way rectified doesn't cut it. I tried it, that one, as you see it didn't work, that one, and none of them made a difference. So they need actual proper DC for it to work. There you go. Okay viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.